My love, when I first met you, I had no idea how my life would change. 14 years ago, I still remember the very first time we met. Thank you, my love. Thank you for making me realize and making me feel that I deserve to be loved, to be happy, and to have someone as amazing as you are. God bless me with the greatest love that I'll cherish forever. Thank you for being my lifetime partner, my love. Thank you for making my life so much more beautiful. I love you so much, Mr. Pineda. Thank you. Ay, gana-gana. I love you.
Thank you more than that.
Thank you for accepting me, even after having millions of flaws. You never made me feel anything less than perfect. Even after making thousands of mistakes, you always made me feel best. I could never thank you in this life alone, my love. I am very grateful to you and for your endless love, for me and for our family.
Mahal na mahal kita, love. Sa hirap at ginhawa, pangako ko sa'yo, ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko, araw-araw, mahal ko. Hindi magbabago yun. I love you, Mrs. Pineda. For 10 amazing years, I've been so blessed with a beautiful, responsible, and kind-hearted wife. Thank you, love, sa pagpapasensya at pag-unawa mo sa akin, lalo na sa mga araw na may sumbong ako. Sorry, love. Pinapangako ko sa'yo na magkasama nating tutuparin ang mga pangarap nating dalawa at ipangarap natin para sa mga anak natin. Hindi ko man maipangako sa'yo na hindi na tayo mag-aaway, pero pangako ko sa'yo na aabaan ko yung pasensya ko. Re-respetuhin at iintindihin ka parati, mahal. Dahil alam naman natin, hindi kompleto ang adobo kung wala pong toyo. Biro lang, eh. Marami pa tayong magdadaanan na pagsubok sa buhay natin, pero promise ko sa'yo, sabay natin silang haharapin, lalagpasan kasama si Lord.
I still remember where we were standing when the world stood still. Everything was an open
Thank you. Thank you.
Tara na. Let's go.
And I always will. You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never be alone.
You know, I'm going to tell you something. I'm kind of like your husband, right? I'm your husband, right? My dad's like your husband.
There's a magic that we discovered underneath these clouds.
I saw how passionate and dedicated father you are. Napakaswerte ng mga anak natin, Marcos, Chanel, and si Matt. You always give your best for us. And for that, I'm so grateful to have you as my husband. You are a great father, a great husband, and a great man.
You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never be alone. Every moment that we spend, like a symphony begins. You're the reason I will never be alone. Everything was in order.
And JB, you may now kiss your bride.
Still